Steve, to me, automation is, we keep saying, some people keep saying, automation is the future. It's going to do this to the jobs. It's going to allow, but to me, it's not even a conversation of the future, and even not even a conversation of now, in the sense that we needed to do this years ago, and we need to pay attention in this moment. If we're not implementing it, we have to.
That's right. Yeah, these robots have been around for some time. People know the jointed sphericals. They've been afraid of them. What's happened, however, in the last 15, 20 years, the technology of the grippers have become much more favorable for plug-and-play applications. The camera systems aren't as affected by the lighting around us and the ambient light. If you turn the lights off or the sun comes up, it doesn't throw off the vision system like it once did. So we're able to provide solutions that are highly reliable with great uptime and drive home what the customer needs from that productivity. And it does help out, of course, with our skilled labor gap we have and all those things that are kicking in. So we have systems that are very simple. This is a pre-built system. It's very low cost. Has area scanners, so if you walk up to the robot, it actually stops for you. You step away, it keeps working. These are things that are smart systems that we can sell ready-made today, or we can put something together that's even more complex, single part flow, and built off of one part number. So it really comes down to what customers are looking for.
Steve, you've done an amazing job here. You've hit on so many key components that I don't think we highlighted enough. You mentioned the grippers. I mean, that's brilliant that you acknowledge that, because there was definitely a time where we could only do one job and repeat that one job because the flexibility wasn't there. Safety, a key concern in most places of the world. Not always, but certainly in your territory here in the US. So very important to understand. And just the fact that we are doing this all with the flexibility of the customer in mind, to let them know we are supporting that skill shortage, labor gap, labor shortage that we keep talking about over and over and over again. Man, this is now. This is yesterday. This is tomorrow. This is all of it.
Absolutely. And we're only going to continue to see more and more, not just in the workplace, but even in our homes. So it's a revolutionary industry.
Meet the Jetsons.